Hey guys, welcome to a new pack opening. Today we got 10 new packs. They are in German because they are easy to get for me. So I will have also German openings with German cards. I hope you will still watch my videos. And so we got 4 breakthrough, I think. That's breakthrough. It has to break through. I will check quickly. Yeah, that's the breakthrough packs. We got 4. Then we got breakpoint. And then we got 2 XY packs. This will be part 1 with 5 packs, and the next part will also include 5 packs, and then we hope we get some good pulls. And now I would say we take the breaks, and here I would say those 2. So we got those packs. Oh, it's twice the same, but it's okay, I think. And we'll start with the XY. Hope. Do we get it? Yes. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. You will see I will tell it, I think, every video, but I won't read the German names because you don't know the names in German, but you know the cards, you know the pictures, and I guess you can figure out which Pokemon is which in English. So already a trainer card, Pikachu, Energy. So we got the first combo with the first card. And I think it's the last. Oh no, reverse holo. Okay, and the last card, regular rare. Alright. Next pack. So with a code. Let's see. Oh, it's the Max Elixir, I think it's in English. That's a pretty good card for competitive play. Reverse holo. Okay, it's a common. And the last. Ooh, that's a holo. Oh, that looks good. And we have again. Do we have the combo? No, we don't have. But we have the phase 1. I mean the bases. The basic Pokemon. Alright, first holo. Not bad. That's good artwork. So open the next one. little trick. Okay, supporter card. Oh yeah, that's good. This was a Puzzle of Time, I think, in English. Good card. Reverse Holo. Okay. Again, no, not a rare card. And the last, non-holo rare. Okay. So we got 3 packs and 2 left. I hope we will get an EX card. Oh, we got the Evolution. Reverse Holo. It's an uncommon. And the last card is nice. That's the Mega EX. That looks fantastic. It's, you can say it's just the normal one, but it still looks nice. And so we got our EX card, and that's a good thing. Okay, noch at least 1 pack left. Sorry guys for the spelling mistake. 1 pack. I have all problems with the packs because I don't want to damage the card. Okay, so the last pack. Oh, a referee. Reverse Holo is a Haunter, and the last card is nice. Another rare Holo, and one of the legendary, I guess, dog. Not, are they dogs? I don't know. Cats. Don't care. It's a legendary card, a legendary Pokemon. Good artwork. Looks good. So, little recap. What we got? We got 2 normal rare cards. I dropped the card. And we got 2 holos. And we got 1 Mega EX. I'd say good packs, 5 packs, 1 EX, 2 holo. Was good opening. I hope you will watch the part 2 of the pack opening, and thank you for watching.